concept of an ecosystem. Introduction. An ecosystem is a region with a specific and recognizable landscape from such as forest, grassland, desert, wetland or coastal area. The nature of ecosystem is based on its geographical features such as hills, mountains, plains, rivers, lakes, coastal areas or islands. It is also controlled by climatic conditions such as the amount of sunlight, the temperature and the rainfall in the region. The geographical, climatic and soil characteristics from its non-living abiotic components. Ecosystems are divided into land-based ecosystems and aquatic ecosystem in water. These from the two major habitat conditions for Earth's living organisms. All the living organisms in an area live in communities of plants and animals. They interact with their non-living environment and with each other at different points in time for a large number of reasons. At an even more local level, each area has several structurally and functionally identifiable ecosystems, such as different types of forest, grasslands, river catchment, mangrove, in deltas, seashores, islands, etc. To give only a few examples, here too, each of these forms have habitat for specific plants and animals. Define ecosystem, the living community of plants and animals in any area together with the non-living components of environment such as soil, air and water constitute the ecosystem. Some ecosystems are fairly robust and are less affected by a certain level of human disturbance. Others are highly fragile and are quickly destroyed by human activities. Mountain ecosystems are extremely fragile as degradation of forest cover leads to severe erosion of soil and changes in river courses. Island ecosystems are easily affected by any form of human activity, which leads to the rapid extension of several of their unique species of plants and animals. Evergreen forest, coral reefs are also examples of species rich, fragile ecosystems, which must be protected against a variety of human activities that lead to their degradation. River and waterland ecosystems can be seriously affected by pollution and changes in surrounding land use. Thank you. Have a nice day.